At Gantrex, we don't just inspect cranes, we understand them, down to the millimetre. Introducing Gantrex 3D scanning, our most advanced diagnostic tool yet. Using cutting-edge laser technology, we convert real-world crane structures into precise digital models. Unlike traditional inspection methods that sample every few meters, 3D scanning captures a continuous geometry, revealing misalignments, deformations, and root causes that others miss. Our process is fast, safe, and non-intrusive. With just 2 operators and a few hours on site, we generate a full digital twin of your crane's critical components. The result? Actionable insights, delivered in a comprehensive report. From beam alignment to rail straightness, we help you make informed decisions that extend crane life and reduce downtime. Whether it's for routine health checks, post-incident assessments, or system upgrades, Gantrex 3D scanning gives you the clarity to act with confidence. Gantrex 3D scanning. Precision you can trust. Performance you can measure.